Hi everyone, my name is Grace Soa and I'm an angelic Reiki master and intuitive counselor. I will be channeling some Reiki energy to help you this week with the help of the angels. And the theme this week is to ask for help. Alright, angels are celestial beings who protect everyone, and the fairies say now is the time for you to ask for angelic assistance. You know, sometimes when we pray for help, we don't receive the help we pray for, and it could be because of how we are positioned in our minds. For example, if you're positioned in your mind where you want to receive the help, but you don't want certain areas of your life to change because you're afraid of losing something, or you believe that pain and suffering and hardship is okay in your life because it makes you strong and powerful. So if you have these beliefs, these can become impediments to you receiving the help in the fullest extent possible. Alright, so when you tune into this angelic Reiki healing, allow the energy to uproot within you your deepest desire for help and change. This will create a magnetic force between you and the angels, and anything that actually stands in the way of that help will be clear to you. And you can even ask for help in letting go of these impediments and beliefs that are in the way of you living a happy and fulfilled life. Alright, and if you want to go deeper with this process, I would suggest the following journaling exercise. You can take a sheet of paper and make 3 columns. Column 1 would be a list of areas in your life where you would like help from your angels. Okay, and then column 2 is really a list of what fears or beliefs that you have in regards to this area of your life. And that will kind of help uproot all those areas. And then column 3 is how would you feel if you were to give up these fears and beliefs that stand in the way of you receiving the help you want in this area of your life. Okay, so make those lists. You can make as long of a list as you want or as short of a list as you want, and that will help you get deeper into your process. Alright, and when you're ready, you can actually tune into this angelic Reiki healing transmission for help in that area of your life. You can actually do this as often as you like. Okay, so if you're ready, you can close your eyes and take a nice deep relaxing breath. Inhale and exhale. And just let go of any thoughts from your mind and tune into being in the moment. Tune into this frequency and energy of the angels. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that healing transmission. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it out with those whom you feel may benefit from this healing. And I wish you guys an amazing week filled with angelic blessings. And do click on the bell for notifications of my videos as they are released. And have an amazing week, everyone.